Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2016 Freightliner Business Class M2 Utility Service Tire Truck. Really cool truck. You can find this truck out for sale on eBay. You can find it also on lewistrucks.com. That's L-E-W-I-S, trucks with an S.com. But overall, very nice truck. Only 64,000 miles on this truck. It has a 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel. It starts right up, sounds great. You can hear that now. Has an automatic transmission, aluminum Alcoa wheels. We have gone through this truck mechanically, runs, drives, and operates as it should. Like I said, only 64,000 miles on this truck. It does have a diesel-powered air compressor as well as a generator. Has a 2,000-pound liftgate off the back. It has a 12-foot flatbed. Load up any type of tires that you have. And this was a tire truck, but the uses for this thing is wide variety for sure. Got some aluminum exterior boxes there. See inside and out, shows really nice. Got an aluminum fuel tank on the driver's side, but allows for a little bit of storage on the exterior. Take a look inside the cab here. It does have work and strobe lights throughout. You can see there, and we'll see them throughout. But nice driver seats, not all ripped or torn up. Passenger seats in nice condition. Look at those miles, only 64,000 miles on this truck. No lights on the dash, brake lights on because the brake is on. Got our strobe light control up top. This is our stellar control panel for all your lights, and looks like our air compressor hours is showing 1261.9. AM FM radio, heat, air conditioning. It's got power windows, door locks, power outlets there. Floor's a nice black color. The headliner shows really nice, but just an overall very nice service truck. Now, like I said, this was a tire truck, but you can use this thing for a variety of things. Got deep tread remaining on the drive tires here. Frame underside shows real nice. Nice black color, no major surface rust. See, obviously the bed doesn't have any rust either, being the material it's made out of. Got a nice 2,000-pound liftgate off the back. It's powered by a toggle switch on the passenger side. We'll get to that. But you can see this truck is lit up with different kind of work lights, strobe lights. You can see the light bar up top is working, and it's all controlled by that panel inside the cab. We're just going to get on our liftgate here. Very light liftgate, easy to maneuver, and a 2,000-pound capacity. So if you were to put this back into a tire service truck, very easily done. And looking in between the body here, you can see it's overall in nice condition. It's very wide in there. It's really nice. Liftgate functions as it should. There's a toggle switch on that side. But the bed floor is not all ate up. It's not all bent up either. It's in good condition. See here, this is where our diesel engine is for the air compressor and generator. It's got a Kubota diesel. Fires right up, sounds great. And all of that is controlled by that panel inside that cabinet there. Liftgate functions as it should with no known issues, no leaks showing. And we do have some utility doors on this side as well. Very well optioned truck. It does have an idle shutdown, as you just saw. So looking inside here, Plenty of space for tools, materials. And again, all the tires on this truck have deep tread remaining. No areas of concern there. Frame, underside, all in great condition. It does have an American Eagle tool drawer here. These are very expensive boxes. It's just 2 drawers, but I'd imagine that wasn't cheap. You can see our control panel here. It's our Van air compressor. It is a generator combination, and up top we've got some hose reels. Looks like a little light as well. So night work is going to be no problem for this. Plenty of lights throughout this thing. This is a sharp looking truck, and the black color shows really nice. Got some minor scrapes, bumps, bruises, things like that, but no major body damage. We bought the truck as you see it. I don't think we did any paint work to this thing either. Kind of in original condition. Look at that frame. You see the condensation from the air conditioning. This engine compartment is very clean. Get on the other side where you can see it a little bit better. Front bumper has some minor chips, scrapes, things like that. Got some strobe lights up front. But the engine compartment on this thing is extremely clean. It sounds great with only 64,000 miles. This thing's just getting started. The truck's been put together by Stellar, and overall just super set up for a tire service truck. We want to turn it into another different type of service truck. Wouldn't be hard to do. It's pretty much a blank canvas for anything you wanted to do. What a great opportunity at a nice tire service truck that's fully optioned, set up, and ready to go. Check this truck out for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help you. I can ship this truck throughout the United States. Call me and I'll give you a quote on that. We are Lewis Motor Company. We're located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. Any questions on this truck or any other trucks I have listed for sale, please not hesitate to call. But a super nice truck, very low mileage, and ready to go to work. Thank you guys for watching.